Hi there, this is Corin from Scalar Apps. I'm going to show you how to set up the automatic redirects feature in a few clicks on the Redirect Pro Shopify app. So these are essentially rules-based redirects which automatically divert visitors to your store away from broken links. So you don't have to spend hours manually redirecting each one, and you can focus on more sort of valuable and growth-oriented activities. So from the app admin, you want to go to the broken links page and then click set up automatic redirects, where you can see the 5 options here. So when activated, these will redirect any URLs that are broken and follow the specified structure. So these asterisks here essentially represent any combination of characters with an unspecified length. So what that really means is for this one, the top one, this asterisk would represent any product name when that product page has been unpublished, archived, deleted, or the URL slug itself has been changed or moved. So this top box here allows you to redirect all broken product pages. And what you can put in the field is a single destination URL. So for an example here, I've got the collections all page. Now, in order to edit these, you need to make sure they're deactivated. And when you activate it, as we can see here, the field is disabled and we know that this is taking place. So if I just show you an example for the products one, so I go to my store and let's visit products slash, let's say hat. So I don't have a product called hat, but I've been redirected here to the collections all page as a result. So we can try another one. Let's say t-shirt, and again, been redirected to the collections all page. So the same logic applies to all the others in this list: collections, pages, blogs and blog posts. And then finally, this last one is to redirect all other broken links. So it's also important to note that obviously these are very specific. So you've got products, collections, pages, and that's the only ones you can redirect using the automatic redirects. And they can each only go to a single destination URL. Now, if you want to use a completely custom redirect from URL, your own version of this, for instance, using the tokens here, the asterisk, to represent those unspecified characters, you can do that using our pattern redirects feature, which there's the video for that and the guide will be linked in the description. But that also allows you to, instead of using a single destination URL like these, use the tokens, use the asterisks here in the redirect to URL to create a custom URL, essentially a custom destination for each individual redirect. It's also important to look at the priorities. So, for example, if a broken link that's detected matches a URL redirect, a pattern redirect, and an automatic redirect, the URL redirect will create the redirect for it. And if there's no URL redirect, then it would be the pattern and then an automatic. So basically, the more specific the type of redirect, then that takes priority in creating the redirect. So for instance, if you had already created a normal URL redirect for your hat product, then that would take place and this collections all redirect wouldn't occur. So if you want to view our help center, the link to that will be provided in the description. We've got lots of useful guides there about automatic redirects, pattern redirects, and how to get the most value out of these features. But alternatively, if you want to report a bug, you've got a feature request, or you just need some technical support or have a question, click the pink question mark in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen and drop us a message.